Hi, I'm Venkat, sous chef pastry and bakery, Bombay Dining Company. We'll be doing a multigrain bread, which is also called a 10 cereal bread. For making multigrain bread, first we need to make a multigrain mixture. I have 50 grams of white sesame, 50 grams of dark sesame, 50 grams of flax seeds, 50 grams of ragi, the rice seeds, 50 grams of dill seeds, 50 grams of poppy seeds, 50 grams of melon seeds. This is cooked polenta. So this is also 50 grams. You just need to cook it till it's become soft. Polenta is little grainy in nature. So we cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. We boil it, and this is cooked polenta. This is cooked maize and cooked broken wheat. 50 grams. Now we mix all together to make a multigrain seed mix. This we can store for days. Maybe it can be stored for 3 weeks to 1 month. So we keep this aside. To make the bread, we need to make the dough. So I have 410 grams of atta, 15 grams of salt, 30 grams of brown sugar, 15 grams of yeast, a dry yeast. If you're using fresh yeast, it's the double the quantity, it's 30 grams. So since I'm using a dry yeast, it's 15 grams. And it's around 250 ml of water. Start adding small amount of water bit by bit to make a dough. For this, we can use 150 grams of the multigrain mix, would be enough. Start adding this to the dough to make a multigrain batter. Dough is ready. We grease the bread mold. Grease the bread mold with oil. Brush the dough with some water. Pour a bit of oats to roll it. Place it. The dough is rested for 45 minutes to 1 hour till it touches the rim of the cake mold. After 45 minutes to 1 hour, it took 1 hour for the bread to proof, and we would put it for baking. At 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Hopefully it's time. So take off the bread, hot and fresh.